What's up, guys?
It's Donkey Kong.
But on the arcade, the real arcade machine.
This is my game.
Yeah, you can kind of see it. You can kind of see it, but I'm gonna blur out his face if it's really noticeable.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I've actually played on that, guys. I've been to his house and played on it.
Alright, let's do this. Donkey Kong. It's very quiet.
His audio might be a little weird, but that's okay.
My air conditioner's on. It's very hot in here. I love Donkey Kong. That's why I have this game.
Oh man, I wish I was there to play.
Pretty skilled. Donkey.
Yummy. I'm trying to do very silent slurps of my cocoa beans.
I got
Ew.
50 meters. If you guys didn't know, this version is very different from the home console version.
I don't think they know anything about Donkey Kong besides the Donkey Kong versus Mario.
Or just Mario at all. I mean, we played the game on the channel.
Yeah, go check it out. It's linked in the description.
We played the Coleco version.
Also on a real device. I think he has Coleco Vision.
I have a Coleco, but that's emulated. That video was before I had the Coleco.
You're right.
Hi guys, if you didn't know, I collect Coleco.
He collects Nintendo stuff.
I don't have like any Sega.
I want to collect Nintendo stuff, but sadly, I do not have the money or the time.
I have the money and the time.
No, your parents have the money.
It's fun here. Alright, Loop 2.
Is there Poo Poo Factory in Donkey Kong Kid Machine in arcade?
That's where it comes from!
Oh yeah.
That's why I wanted this for.
Doo doo far doo doo. Did you get that for cheap?
What?
Did you get that arcade machine for cheap?
Dude, I told you this. It was like $1,000.
That is pretty cheap.
Video games. They're basically large video games.
It's like basically a box, a cardboard box with a controller inside and a tablet.
It's a wooden box with a funny little joystick and a TV screen.
A very small one.
No, it's pretty large.
Yeah.
A lot larger in person. Trust me.
I've been to his house. It's not very large. It's like a desktop computer size. If you put it on its side.
The screen, I'm talking about like the whole machine.
Oh!
My highest, 82, no, it's 88,000 now, I raised it.
Why is there a candle on my my room? And it was right next to my tissue box. I'm gonna put that out.
Oh, it didn't give me a point sound effect. I'm sad now. This might be it. Never mind. They're dumb.
Boy, I wish these sound effects were a lot better.
Yeah, the arcade sound effects are a lot better than any. Because there's funny tubes.
Huh? The audio keeps kind of cutting out from your microphone.
That's okay.
I know.
Because it's not. They don't get to hear me. It's too quiet.
If anybody out there watching this video right now, right this second, go watch your new Super Mario Bros.
It's our best series.
Well, no, Gary's Mod's technically our best series. Oh, see, if you mean series, yeah, it is. But video, it's the Gary's Mod one.
Like,
The new Super Mario videos are pretty funny, if you ask me.
I didn't even realize I made it to the Pie Factory already.
The 6th episode that I'm going to put into the
It
playlist,
says the
that is one of the funniest videos I think I've made. And go check out the new channel. Link in description too.
I need that one.
Yes, Goo Goo. Also, we took down the Indigo Park video because it was bad. It was putting a bad influence on us, I guess.
It was the first video.
Yeah, it was the first ever video that had him in it, but sad.
Didn't I show up like a year ago?
No.
Because we were in the Roblox video.
Yeah, that was the natural disaster one. That was not the first one. That was actually before. And wait, no. Oh wait, you're right. It was the that. I'm dumb. Hang on. Where's my phone? There it is. Guys, I'm dirt poor.
What the?
Whoa. Man, let me go to YouTube.
Game's rigged.
It says here that you're gay.
I am better than most YouTubers are in this game. If you ever seen them play Donkey Kong, chances are that they probably
Oh
should.
my god, you're right. The game plays natural disaster survival.
I told you.
I'm not putting a link in the description for that. That video sucks. That Vidot can go jump in a hole and never come back. Wait a minute. Hang on.
It's my chance.
Oh my god. I need to make I think I might have to remove that Super Mario 64 video. I don't think I'm gonna continue it.
Alright, I made it to Luke 4. This the highest I can get is 125 meters if I get lucky.
Oh, it's been a bit since I've recorded Super Luigi 64. Wait, technically it's Super Mario 64 now.
Holy crap.
No, no way. Most popular video, Gary's Mod with 2,000 views. That's a pretty good. I'm gonna stop looking at my channel. When do we stop this video?
Get a game over.
We're gonna be here for a while, guys.
It should be pretty soon. I'm already at Luke 4.
We're gonna be here for a very long time.
I'm very good at Donkey Kong.
Oh! Guys, there's dude.
Yeah, I'm back here again.
Editing these videos has been a pain.
I'm dead.
Is that a game over? No.
105.
Can you just get hit by that fire real quick?
Highest I've ever made it was 125 meters of level 4.
Never mind, guys. We're not gonna be here for a while.
We got to enter training, which is I am actually the FBI. That's me.
Oh my god, he's the FBI, guys. I gotta go. Oh my god.